Hey guys, today we're going to make a simple navbar tutorial that what is navbar and how you can use navbar. How that it works, let's see how. You just have to open your settings and here just scroll down and look for lock screen, then select navbar, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled these or toggles. Once you have enabled, you must have to go back and here just select notifications, then select lock screen notifications, and from here you must have to select this all and then tab on show content, and here you have to enable the setting for all apps. Once you have enabled, now you can easily use now bars. Let's see how. So if you are using any app, so let's see, it might be any stopwatch or any voice recorder, and I'm going to use voice recorder. You must have to start recording. Just tap on this option and it will start your recording. Once this recording has been started, you will get it there on your lock screen. It calls now bar. So now I'm going to open clock and here just start stopwatch. Once you have started, on your lock screen you'll get both. It is lock screen, here's a stopwatch. You can easily pause it or continue it, and here's the recording. You can control it from here. So these are some features of your navbar. If you're using any music, let's see, I'm going to play the Spotify music. Just play any music. Once you have played, just go to your lock screen, and here you can see that music is playing on my navbar, and you can easily control your music from here. So that's what is navbar and how can you use that in your Samsung Galaxy S17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.